Welcome back to our cranial nerve series. In this video, we are diving into cranial nerve 9, the glossopharyngeal nerve, a nerve with both sensory and motor powers. The name gives away its two key destinations. Glosso means tongue, whereas pharyngeal refers to the throat. This nerve is all about the tongue and throat, helping us taste, swallow, and maintain important reflexes. The glossopharyngeal nerve originates from the medulla oblongata, part of the brainstem. It arises from three nuclei: the nucleus ambiguus for motor fibers, the inferior salivatory nucleus for parasympathetic output, and the nucleus of the solitary tract which handles sensory input. After emerging from the medulla, glossopharyngeal nerve exits the skull through the jugular foramen along with vagus and accessory nerves. It then passes through two small ganglia, the superior and inferior ganglia, where sensory fibers synapse. It winds around the stylopharyngeus muscle, which it uniquely innervates, and travels between the internal and external carotid arteries towards the pharynx. Let's break down its main branches. Tympanic nerve re-enters the skull to form the tympanic plexus and becomes the lesser petrosal nerve, sending parasympathetic fibers to the parotid gland. Carotid branches, these supply baroreceptors in the carotid sinus and chemoreceptors in the carotid body. Pharyngeal branches join the pharyngeal plexus to supply the oropharynx. Muscular branch innervates the stylopharyngeus muscle. Tonsillar branches sensory to the palatine tonsils. Lingual branches carry both general sensation and taste from the posterior 1/3 of the tongue. This nerve is a true multitasker. Here's what it does. Moves the stylopharyngeus muscle, feels the posterior 1/3 of the tongue, pharynx and middlea, detects taste from the posterior 1/3 of the tongue, monitors the carotid sinus and body, activates saliva secretion from the parotid gland. Damage to the glossopharyngeal nerve may present with a variety of clinical signs. Glossopharyngeal neuralgia, sudden stabbing pain in the throat, tonsil or tongue, loss of gag reflex. Glossopharyngeal nerve is the afferent limb of the reflex arc. Dysphagia, which is difficulty in swallowing due to stylopharyngeus paralysis. Altered taste or sensation in the back of the tongue. Impaired blood pressure regulation if carotid sinus feedback is disrupted. So to recap, the glossopharyngeal nerve is a mixed cranial nerve with motor, sensory, taste and autonomic functions, all tightly linked to your ability to speak, swallow and stay safe. Stick around for the next video where we explore the 10th cranial nerve, the vagus nerve. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more MedEd content.